If you're feeling lost, stuck, or unsure how to move forward in an AI shifting world, you're not imagining it. The ground really is moving, and it's moving fast. But there are ways to find direction again, even in times like these. When everything around you is shifting, it's easy to feel like you should already know your next step. But you don't have to figure this out alone. There are ways to understand your strengths, your patterns, and the kinds of work that still make sense for you in an AI shifting world. AI is reshaping industries, job descriptions, and expectations faster than most people can keep up with. But your strengths, your patterns, and the ways you naturally operate in the world still matter, maybe more than ever. The challenge is simply understanding how they fit into this new landscape. For more than 30 years, I've helped people make sense of their strengths and their experience, especially during times of change. And right now, as AI reshapes the world of work, many people are trying to understand where they fit and what still makes sense for them. And that's where I come in. That's why I created the AI Resilient Career Map, a calm and personalized way to understand how your strengths and experience can translate into meaningful work in an AI-shaped world. It's not a test, it's not a generic report. It's a thoughtful, human-crafted guide based entirely on you. Here's a review from a delighted client. I am blown away by this report. It's great, and thank you so much. I read it last night and plan to delve into it more today. It's remarkable the amount of insight and information that was provided. I thought my answers may have been too short, as I've never felt I know how to answer such questions about myself. It starts with a simple 14-question intake quiz. Nothing complicated, nothing timed, just straightforward questions about your strengths, your experience, and the kinds of work environments where you tend to do well. Your answers give me the foundation I need to create your personalized career map. Once you've completed the 14 questions, I review your answers carefully. I look at your strengths, your experience, and the kinds of environments where you tend to do your best work. From there, I begin mapping out the roles, directions, and the possibilities that genuinely make sense for you in an AI-shaped world. Once I've reviewed your answers, I create a 6 to 8 page personalized career map. It highlights the roles, directions, and possibilities that genuinely fit your strengths and experience, especially with regards to AI. It's clear, practical, and designed to help you see options that you may not have considered. Inside your career map, you'll see your strengths and experience reflected back to you in a clear, practical way. You'll also see roles and directions that genuinely fit who you are and why they make sense in an AI-shaped world. And you'll get simple, realistic next steps to help you move forward with confidence. Wherever you are right now, you're not starting from zero. You already have strengths, experience, and ways of working that matter, even in an AI world. If the career map helps you see that more clearly, I'd be honored to support you. There are 2 versions of the career map, one for adults, people navigating work, transitions, or reinvention, and one designed specifically for youth to help them understand their strengths early and make choices with more confidence. Each version is tailored to the needs, language, and stage of life of the person taking it. In your career map, you'll see job options that align with your strengths, your skills, your experience, in the way you work naturally. These aren't random listings or generic AI-generated suggestions. They're roles that make sense for you. Roles where your background still has real value, even as the world changes. For some people, traditional roles aren't the only path. If it fits your strengths, skills, and interests, your career map may also include self-employment or independent work options, the kinds of services and offerings or niche expertise that you could realistically build into an income. Not everyone wants this, but for the right person, it can open doors that a job search can't. If a role or direction makes sense for you, but requires a small skill upgrade, I'll outline simple, realistic training suggestions. Nothing overwhelming, nothing expensive, and nothing unnecessary. Just the specific skills that would strengthen your options in an AI world. When you see your career map, something shifts. You can finally see your strengths, your experience, your skills, and your possibilities laid out in a way that makes sense. You know where you fit, and you know what's possible, and you have a clearer sense of direction and a way forward in an AI world. If this feels like something you need right now, a clear sense of direction, a way to understand where you fit, or a fresh perspective on your strengths, skills, and experience, you can get your own personalized career map below. Take your time. If it's the right moment, you'll know. This is a new world. Step into it with clarity and confidence. Your career map is waiting.